What's up, YouTube? It's your Huckleberry here. You can call me Huck. Another body cam video. I don't know where we're at or what's going on. I just know that it has to do with somebody that's pretty intoxicated. So let's see what's going on here together.
On April 21st, 2024, officers responded to a call regarding a physical disturbance between two individuals.
Hey, are y'all good in here?
Touching me.
What the hell's happening in here?
No, we good.
Y'all are good? Alright, come on out. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
No anything else.
You need an ambulance, girl?
No, baby. No one.
We're on the Scott side. You can slow everybody down, but I can use one more unit. Huh?
I'm over here passing him.
Okay, come over here.
Dude,
Come over
she
here with
is
me.
trash.
Because I'm passing him.
Do you need an ambulance?
No.
Why are you all bloody?
No, because I got into an accident.
No.
I totaled my car the week before, right? So like,
We're good out here, thank you.
like that's my review.
Who is he?
That's my guy. He's traveling from New York. She's not.
Is he your boyfriend?
No.
You're drunk? Was he hitting you?
No. I
Were you hitting him? Why are you bleeding?
You remember? Oh, that happened because the wrist.
Where's
He's in the car.
Uh-huh.
Were y'all fighting?
No. I promised him he would never do me that.
Okay, what's y'all's problem then?
He's very sober. He wants to get back to New York.
who is she to you?
A friend.
A friend?
Yes.
How long you guys?
Bro, what is going on with this car? Did this just happen? Who sits in a car that's all jacked up like this? They must have just wrecked this car on the sidewalk or something.
My friends for?
A long time. Right now I just trying to get this.
So you guys are just friends?
Yes. No, we go. That's my wife.
That's your wife?
Yes.
Okay.
She just said no. She said it was her guy, and then she said, "Is that your boyfriend?" She said no. And now he's saying this. Okay.
How long you guys been married for?
3 years.
Let me get your ID.
So you're telling me right now, y'all were not physically fighting.
No, he's not.
So why are all these people saying y'all were fighting?
No, he's not like that. I promise you.
3 years.
Let me get your ID.
So you're telling me right now, y'all were not physically fighting.
No, he's not.
So why?
She's all bruised up, scratched up, bruised up. Like, look at all this. Her arm, her abs, her stomach.
Are all these people saying y'all were fighting?
No, he's not like that. I promise you. I swear to God, my mom was like he was not. He
Okay.
was
Do me a
never.
favor. Have a seat right here. Have a seat right
I
here.
promise you. I
Okay,
promise you.
I hear you. Just have a seat for me.
Like,
Have a seat for a second. Can you stand by?
Yeah.
I promise.
You see that great state of Florida license plate? This is uncanny. Florida. All the time.
He was not doing anything to me.
I wonder if it has something to do with the weather always being spectacular. You know? And just people are just on cloud nine all the time, acting a fool. I don't get it.
Like he was not very. He was not disrespectful. Like he was not.
Well, I just got here, so I don't even know what happened.
He wasn't hitting her.
No, he wasn't hitting her. He was just doing this to like trying to get her. And they was outside the car and like, and she tried to keep punching him in his face, and I guess she wrapped around his neck.
We were just like arguing a little bit, but the only thing is because I'm a Latino, I'm jealous. That's why. Like
Who drives this car?
him a little bit.
What's up?
Him. And that
You was
was
driving
it.
this?
Yeah, that was it.
Where were you at?
In the passenger, but I was going home.
I know her, but I don't know her like that. She broke my chain.
You just told me you guys are married.
What is happening right now? You just said they were married.
No, we not married, sir. I'm sorry.
But you just told me you guys are married.
No, because I just don't want her to be in trouble. But she broke my chain, everything, bro.
All right, man.
So you're a liar.
Enough games. Is she? Are you guys married?
No.
Is she your friend?
No.
Is she your girlfriend? Stop with the whole bullshit. What are you guys?
We just friends.
You guys are just friends.
Yes.
It's first friends, then girlfriend, then wife. Well, what are you guys?
Friends. Like I said.
So cut the bullshit, man. What happened?
She punched me in my face, broke my chain, everything, son. Look.
He's trash too. They're both trash, and I ain't sure it's alcohol. I mean, it probably has some alcohol in it, but like, look at his eyes.
All right, so you want fresh charges?
No.
So what do you want done?
I just want to get on about my day. I got a flight to catch. I'm from New York.
So you're saying nothing happened between y'all?
And then you make yourself like.
She's got blood everywhere. Yeah. Her and the dude in there were going at it while he was driving, and he kept looking at the front of the car. What did he say happened?
So, what did she tell you?
They said that she was beating his ass inside the car while he was coming this way, and he like crashed over there.
While he was driving?
While he was driving, she was in the car punching him. What did he say?
Well, first they're friends, then they're married, now they're just friends. So
Yeah, she said he's not her boyfriend.
Yeah.
They're just friends.
So did he say she was with him?
Yeah.
Does he want to press charges?
He said no.
He doesn't want to do anything?
No, he just wants his car fixed.
Okay.
What does she want?
She's so
She said
drunk
nothing
right now. She's
Huh?
She said nothing happened. She said they were just arguing. She got a little jealous over something. She said nothing physical happened at all.
Okay.
And that he was the one driving.
So was this a mutual friend in the car?
She's saying nothing happened at all.
Hey, Jonathan.
Jonathan. Okay. Let me talk to you. Thank you.
All right, listen, hear me out.
She got my phone, bro.
Okay, I will take care of that. But you're telling me a whole bunch of different things.
I know, I'm sorry.
She's telling me nothing happened. You're telling me something happened.
I promise you, I respect your service. Thank you for your service so much. I swear you're.
How'd you get blood all over yourself? You're clearly lying to us because something happened. Look at you. You're
I mean,
bleeding
you're
everywhere.
clearly doing too much, and I'm not gonna talk to you
I'm
anymore.
doing too
I'm
much.
gonna tell you right now that I got into an accident, a week ago. Sunday, a week ago today.
She punched me in my face and
Okay.
we hit the bump.
What, the speed bump or whatever?
Yes.
Okay.
Guys,
You haven't showered in a week. That's why you got blood all over you now.
and you haven't checked yourself in a week, so I'm gonna just tell you right now. I swear to God, bro, you know.
What kind of phone is it?
My iPhone.
Like a black iPhone?
Yeah.
Gray?
But
That girl's wildin', dude. She's crazy. He's probably just wanted to like separate himself from this total nut job.
You were driving the car? He was driving the car.
I don't care,
Do you have
babe.
this black
I
iPhone?
don't care.
Hello, do you have this black iPhone?
Hey, who was driving when it crashed? You or her?
me.
You were driving?
Yes.
Is it your car?
Yes.
Okay, you have your ID on you?
I don't. It's still there.
You can grab it.
Do you have his phone or no? Hey, I'm not Papi. Do you have his phone or no?
I don't care who you are.
Okay.
You're my uncle, right? I'm gonna respect you for the colors.
Alright, you know what? Forget it. Forget it.
I tried talking to these people, they just stared at me.
What about these people over here?
I don't care about
What about those people over there?
I haven't tried talking to them. Oh, actually, no, she went over there.
as a man.
She did walk over there, but I don't
Oh,
know to what extent.
Like, I didn't do anything.
I got you.
Like, I'm just saying, like, I respect women and police officers. I want them to be a police officer. I'll be a
I got
police.
you.
I'll be a police officer. Like, I'll be a police officer.
She's like a sip away from just totally blacking out, I bet. I mean, she is messed up right now.
I'll be a police officer. Like, I'll be a police officer. No problem.
She'll take your application if you want for us.
Yeah.
we called a tow truck. So what's gonna happen? They're gonna have to tow this.
They gonna have to tow this?
They can't fix the tire because the whole thing is broken.
I don't do anything.
It's been a long day
I'm
for
not doing
everyone.
anything. So I'm like, I'm scared over here. Like, I really am scared. But I do love my baby.
He was driving. She was beating his ass while he was driving. Hit the curb over there.
Yeah, he said he talked to the 13-year-old over here.
Yeah.
He saw everything, but he is 13.
I know.
Right there. You see it?
Did you hit the sign?
No. No, I ain't hit this sign.
Where the black,
Curb.
the...
Curb. You see how it curves in? The curve right there where the flowers right there.
Okay. There?
Yes.
Alright. Okay. Alright, cool. Just go hang out with my partner, alright?
Where is this police officer? Cause I'm gonna write a complaint. I'm gonna write a grievance. A grievance.
A grievance? Okay.
I will. I will.
Hey,
That's a big word for her.
okay.
Who the f is this?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Yeah, I don't care how you carry it. I know I have totally respect. Thank you for the service. I'm not gonna lie. But
Why don't you go back over here?
I don't care how you talk to me. Yeah, you look at you like,
Didn't say anything. You're lovely.
I respect you, Cody. I respect you.
This is my favorite call ever. No one knows.
You have no warrant to go on the. Yeah.
God, Jesus.
Okay.
I respect you guys.
Well, your car's getting.
Dude, look at this car. Look at her. This is. Oh my god.
No warrant to go on the. Yeah.
God, Jesus.
This is my favorite call ever. No one knows.
You have no warrant to go on the. Yeah.
God, Jesus.
Okay.
I respect you guys.
Well, your car's getting towed, so.
Alright.
There were more people out here, but they've since left.
Yeah, the car's gonna be towed.
And she's very up and down. Sometimes she likes it, sometimes she doesn't.
You're doing great with her. Keep it up.
What's up?
But the thing is, I can't tow that car
Why?
because that is a rental.
You said it's your car.
No, it's a rental.
Where y'all going? Jesse!
The lies keep piling up. Now it's not his car.
Okay. So because it was involved in a crash,
Yeah, JC,
yeah, it's a cluster. But
Yo,
careful, get out of the road.
y'all go from over there. That ain't gonna let me shot. Jump me on the shot. Mommy! I said that. No floor, no floor. No floor.
Don't answer.
I'm so sorry, but can you cancel our tow truck, please?
Why did you cancel the tow?
He's gonna get it taken care of himself.
Well, he only has
I
a
know.
certain
I told him.
amount of
He
time.
said he's gonna. It's a rental, too.
Damn, I'm just gonna be pissed.
Oh, well, this includes my involvement.
You need my help, Landon?
No. Just Big 41. He doesn't want anything with the car. Now he doesn't want anything to do with the situation, whatever happened. If he wants to do a complaint withdrawal, I'll just do that.
yes, and that's what I'm trying. That's what I'm trying to do. But I'm trying to get her out. That's a big problem right now. That's my biggest problem. Y'all have not got my biggest problem.
Are you gonna get out of the car or not? Let's go.
Shut the f up, please.
Come on.
I'll give you
Get
a call.
step.
Sir,
Get walking. Come on, get out the car.
Okay.
Get out the car. Let's go.
I'm in my car, bitch.
I've been trying to contact him. We got an alert saying they got hit.
Okay.
It's brand new.
You rented it from you though.
Yeah, I've got it through Turo.
Turo. Okay.
Can I just pull up here?
Yes.
It's somebody's personal car, dude. Oh my god, dude, your car is jacked up because you just rented it to some idiot. I've done Turo before. One time I went on vacation to Washington D.C. and like they will meet you and assess you. They ain't got to rent you that car. I don't know what this guy was thinking, dude. Like, I would have met these two off the get, and I'd have been like, nah, I'm good with that.
Just hang out right here, man. Pull up down there. Don't get out of your car. They're gonna go 10-15 on her end.
For what?
I have no idea. They just told me they're going 10-15.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I really am sorry. Like, I do respect you as a woman, as a hand,
Come on,
as a man.
Step out.
As a,
Step out.
shut the
Step out.
Out of the car.
Step out.
Out of the car.
Out. Out of the car. Get up.
Don't I dare you, like,
Get up.
stop, stop, stop.
She could have just walked away a while ago, guys. She could have just walked away. They
I promise you, I would never.
Face the car.
I would never do like that. You guys are stupid. What the f is wrong with you guys? I would never do like that. I would never serve a woman or a man in service. Like, I would never do like that. Because you're a human too, so don't tell me that I was disrespecting you. I would never disrespect you. I'm not like that. I'm not like that. I'm not like that. No, you don't want me to disrespect me.
Just walk.
You
What?
stupid bitch. Look at you.
That's bad, Leo. Yep.
No, no.
Yep. Sure did.
No.
Sure
To
did.
myself.
Nope.
To myself. Look at you. Let me feel big, right? I would never
And you're a grown adult. You just spit on a police officer.
I know that's like,
she spit on one of the officers? What an idiot.
I know. I love
Here's her text.
I will be a firefighter.
Yeah, not anymore.
Today.
Here, look this.
No, I think.
Stop.
Yeah, you guys my arm.
You already spit on me. I'm gonna drop you on the ground. You keep moving.
Sorry, like, don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'll kill you. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Good.
Don't touch me. 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 Don't touch me, please. I won't comply. But please don't touch me.
Alright, perfect.
No, please don't touch me. I won't. I won't.
Get in the car.
Alright.
Perfect.
Stop, please.
Hey, whoever's doing her CRA, she just got bad Leo charges.
What'd you get?
She spit on me.
See Jonathan?
That's not.
Alright, guys. That's the video right there. This girl was beating up the guy she was driving with. As he was going over a speed bump or something, he hit the curve. He jacked that tire completely. I think the tire almost got ripped off the car. Like, I don't even know how he was able to continue up the street to park it on the side of the road. It was completely sitting vertical. And then all she had to do was get out of that car, and then she wants to put up a fight, and then she spit. Man, completely wasted. That's a complete fail on her part. I expect nothing less from the state of Florida, though. Thanks for coming out, guys. I'm your Huckleberry. You can call me Huck. Until next time, peace.